Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. In this series, I came with a new spoken English practice video every day. So today I want to talk to you, and I want to know about my topic ideas. I want to know about my videos because I ask you that please suggest me any topic ideas, any suggestion for my videos, but I didn't find it. So after too much thinking, I started choose random topic that part of your or everyone's life. So I just started it. I talk about my favorite hobby. Sorry, I talk about my travel dreams, I talk about my favorite dishes, I talk about Rajasthani culture, I talk about positive words and self-help books. So if you want some another topic, or if you want some any suggestion to give me, write please don't hesitate to write in comment box. Yeah, and please improve your learning, improve your English, and start practicing, because without practice nothing happened. That's why I am here. So today I am again here to record this video. So I think too much what should I talk today, but I don't understand anything. So okay, I am sorry, because now I am think that I am annoying you. So sorry for that, but I do this because I want to learn spoken English, and I want to be fluent in English uh, quickly. So I do the practice every day without missing a single day. That's why I record video daily. And so today I don't understand what topic and what should I talk to in this video. That's why I have a general talk with you. And please share me your experiences, please share me your learning, and please share me what you learn, and with sources you learn from which sources. So please share me, because I think everyone teaches us something new. So if from your sharing a single one person learns something new, then it will be good for you and that person also. So thank you so much for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. I believe in manifestation. That's why I use positive words. I use positive sentences. So I am confident now. I am healthy. I am successful, and I am learning English. I am fluent English speaker. So like me, you also use these words, and it will be help you to learn English fast, and if it will be help you to do practice every day. So thank you so much for watching my series, spoken English practice series. And please go through my all videos and watch these videos. If you like these videos, please like, share and comment, and support my channel. Let's start learn. Thank you so much.